Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PPHM. We will take a look at the daily time frame. It's been a while since the last time I did it, but I've done multiple videos on this one and had some questions on it asking if I could update things since it has been a while. And looking into today, sitting right around a potential bounce spot, so I would not be surprised at all to see it do one of its typical bounces that it's done multiple times. So we'll have to see if that transpires. But on that same token, it's also kind of sitting on a pretty important level in terms of if the support does not hold, then it's got, I don't want to say it'll fall apart, but as we go through it, you'll see what I mean in terms of the spaces of the support. So the reason I call it nice potential to see it bounce right now is it's hovering right around this key level of support here from back on August 20th. On that low was $1.32, and then you got, I'm not going to call it a doji candle, but you didn't get it some solid red candle. You got a decent candle here that could suggest some sort of bounce, and it went down as low as $1.32. So actually right here, the power of charts, great job of forecasting where this low would take place at right there at $1.32. So that's going to be the first area of support. If this does not hold, and this is what I'm starting to talk about, the next level of support is not until down here, which comes from previous high, and then when the price did get above it, you can see right there retested it. So some solid price action right here around this level, and that's at $1.25. And then after $1.25, no supports until down here right around the $1.15 area. So that's kind of what I was getting at, is if this doesn't hold, then these support levels really do start to have some distance between them. But as the chart has shown, this stock definitely likes to bounce. So let's see what happens in terms of next week. On any sort of bounce, what are the key levels that you want to see the price clear above? The one that's really sticking out to me is going to be right here. And that's just basically, you can see lots of history of the chart where this level acted as resistance. And then when the price did break below it here, acted as support, or acted as support here, excuse me. And then when the price did drop below it, acted as resistance. But when the price was able to break it, really made a nice upwards move there. So this area right there at $1.41 is going to be another key area of resistance that you want to see break on any sort of bounce. But the big one is going to be the purple line here, the 50-day simple moving average. As you can see, has really been a thorn in the side of the chart. The one time here did break above it, but then its big brother up here, the 200-day simple moving average, knocked it right back down. So $1.43, which is a 50-day simple moving average, is going to be the next key level of resistance on any sort of bounce. So all in all, will be a very interesting play to see how everything unfolds next week. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our free newsletter up there. When you do that, you'll be sent a free ebook with some nice strategies in it. If you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our educational course. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching spread across multiple videos, which has been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials. So I'd encourage you to make an investment into yourself and into your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was PPHM. Thanks for listening and have a great weekend.